These new short-form videos are taking over YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram right now. Creators are getting millions of views by turning animals into hyper-realistic matchstick sculptures and then setting them on fire in the most oddly satisfying way. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create these viral matchstick animal videos using completely free AI tools. So make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any steps, because one small mistake can ruin the entire effect. Now let's get started. The first step to creating your viral AI short is generating the perfect prompt. Start by heading over to the Google Doc linked in the description below. Inside, you'll find a ready-to-use prompt designed specifically for creating high-quality matchstick animal videos. Once you're there, copy the prompt, then open your favorite AI writing tool. For this tutorial, we'll be using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT. But before you hit enter, there's one important tweak. This prompt is designed to generate a list of animals for your video, so all you need to do is input the number of animals you want the AI to generate. Now press enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a list of unique viral-ready animals. Go through the list and pick the one that stands out the most. Next, to generate your image and video prompts, simply type the number of the animal you want to feature and hit enter again. ChatGPT will instantly create a highly detailed image prompt for a matchstick version of your animal, along with a cinematic video prompt you can use to animate it later. This step is crucial because the quality of your prompts directly affects how realistic and viral your final video will be. Now that we have our high-quality AI image prompt ready, the next step is generating our hyper-realistic matchstick animal image. For this tutorial, we'll be using Flow AI. Start by heading over to Flow AI. Click on Create with Flow and log in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, select New Project to open the AI image generation interface. Before you generate your image, it's very important to set everything up correctly for the best results. First, change the aspect ratio to portrait. This is perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Next, choose the number of image outputs you want the AI to generate. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy your image prompt. Then return to Flow AI and paste it directly into the prompt box. To get more accurate and ultra-realistic results, attach this matchstick animal reference image provided in the Google Doc. Once everything is set, click Generate. Within seconds, Flow AI will create 2 ultra-realistic matchstick animal images based on your prompt. As you can see, the results look incredibly detailed and visually satisfying, perfect for viral short-form content. Take a moment to carefully review each image, then download the one that looks the most realistic and eye-catching to your device. The last step is to turn your image into a viral hyper-realistic video. Head back to Flow AI and switch to the video generation section. Upload the matchstick animal image you just created. This is what will animate into a realistic burning scene. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt we generated earlier. Then return to Flow AI and paste the prompt directly into the video prompt box. Once everything is set, click Generate. Within moments, the AI will begin transforming your static image into a cinematic, ultra-realistic video, complete with a hand lighting the matchsticks and fire spreading naturally across the structure. Preview your result. And as you can see, the animation looks incredibly realistic and satisfying. Now go ahead and download the video to your device. And just like that, your viral AI matchstick animal video is ready to post. Now let's quickly take a look at a few more videos I've created using this exact method. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section.